Hello guys, welcome back. This is your boy Jonathan. Today I'm back for another video which is gonna be about Apple as usual. Unless you guys request other videos, commenting down below the video, okay, in the comment section. Unless you recommend other videos, otherwise I'm always gonna make videos about Apple because I see that's what my subscribers love the most. And if you would love me to make other videos, you can suggest me to do so. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so let's go back to business. Okay, so like I said before, in most of my previous videos, I only I only execute my trades on Thinkorswim, okay? And Webull is I actually use Webull for the charts, okay, to analyze, doing my analysis on Webull. And then after I do my analysis on Webull, I go on Thinkorswim to execute my trade. So today so far I made over $76, okay? And in open I have $7 open for Google, okay? Google class, that will be Google class A. Okay, so that's Google class A. Okay, the Google class C, I made the $76 from Google class C, and from class A it's $7. It's still open. I haven't closed the position. It's only one shares. Okay, so okay, now let's go back to Webull. Okay, so we're gonna talk about Apple, all right, as usual. So Apple traded today from $149. That was the high, and the low was $145.88. Okay, so according to the chart, remember what I told you last week. Okay, so Apple needs to go down a little bit in order to find a support so that it can keep going. Okay, and I mentioned that it's an 80 or 90% chance. Okay, so Apple needs to find a support. Okay, Apple needed to find a support level after finding it so that it can go back up again. Okay, so now we're starting seeing the support level. Okay, because today Apple did not perform very well. It opened at 145.88 to 149. Okay, so now it closes at 145.96. So when I predicted what was gonna happen to Apple, remember, it's always my opinion, it's not necessarily true. Okay, but according to my experience, I'm always right 90% of the time. 98% of the time I'm right. That's how I make my money. Okay, that's how I trade. I trade with confidence, and I trade with my analysis. I trust them 100%. Me myself, I don't know about other people. Okay, so I'm most of the time 98, 99% of the time I'm right. Okay, so now we're gonna fight for next week. Remember, for the Nasdaq, the tech stocks, they're gonna have earnings, which is gonna be on the 27th. Okay, 2 weeks from today. Okay, it's gonna be on the 27th. Most of them. Okay, they're gonna have earnings. Okay, which is gonna be very interesting. So remember what I said last week. If Apple doesn't break the $150 mark, it's not gonna go higher. So in order for Apple to go higher, it needs to break the $150 mark. So after it breaks the $150 mark, then we can see a higher high. And I most believe that it's gonna make a higher high. Okay, so we just have to wait for it. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so according to the chart, you see, so Apple has been going up. Okay, when we take that line, okay, let me play with the let me play with the polyline. Oh, what's going on? Okay, so let me take, you see, so it's in an uptrend position right now. Okay, all we have to do is wait and see what it has to offer. Once it breaks the 150 mark, then we will wait to see what's gonna happen. Okay, so what I was showing you last week, this is what I was showing you. You remember that last high, the 149? I told you guys that it's very critical because it needs to go down a little bit. Okay, remember? Let me draw it again. It needs to go down a little bit like that in order to go up, or like that, so that it can go even way up. All right, so we'll see this week how it's gonna play, but what you guys need to look for is a breakdown. Apple needs to go down a little bit further, or it's gonna go way higher. Once it passes the 150, it's gonna skyrocket. Okay, that's the goal. Okay, you guys need to pay attention for that. So that's it for today. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment if you want other videos about other stocks. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep making videos about Apple. All right, thank you. Bye bye.